Now, the clock is ticking down to US President Donald Trump's tariff deadline, with just a day before products from South Africa are expected to be hit with a 30% tariff. Reserve Bank Governor Lesetja Kganyago has warned that 100,000 jobs are at risk, most especially in the agriculture and automotive sectors. Pretoria has put forward an offer to reduce the tariff, but as Toni Waterman explains from Washington, the Trump administration has not responded.
President Donald Trump on Wednesday tried to quash any notion that his August 1st deadline for new tariffs to take effect would be delayed, insisting on social media that the deadline will not be extended and proclaiming that it will be a big day for America. From Friday, nearly every product entering the United States will be hit with a levy, including a 30% tariff on goods from South Africa. And this includes products that have for years been granted duty-free access to the U.S. under AGOA. Things like cars and car parts, nuts, wine, citrus fruits, and certain textiles and apparel. The White House has made no indication that it is even close to a deal with Pretoria. And in fact, the Trump administration has been sitting on South Africa's offer to buy billions of dollars in U.S. liquefied natural gas and invest in industries like mining in exchange for a lower tariff rate or carve-outs for certain industries like shipbuilding and agriculture products. President Cyril Ramaphosa made a high-profile visit to the White House in May to try and push for a reset in the U.S.-South Africa relationship. But that meeting turned out to be quite contentious, with President Trump repeating false claims of a white genocide in South Africa. And earlier this week, Zane Dangor, the Director General at South Africa's Department of International Relations and Cooperation, said that negotiations are being complicated by White House demands around Pretoria's Black economic empowerment policy. This is yet another indication that these tariffs with South Africa and with other countries are not just about closing trade deficits, but also about pushing Trump's views and policies beyond America's borders. Toni Waterman, eNCA, Washington.